I'm going to show you 10 properties that went from meh to wow in seconds. No reshoots, no wasted time. Everything you're about to see is done with Pedra. Same photo, different results. Watch this. The day looks great, the property doesn't stand out. Just changing the sky changes everything. The space is empty, hard to imagine living there. Now it makes sense. The space looks fine, but something feels off. With a simple change, you transform the image. The space looks outdated, it doesn't connect. Now it feels like a completely new property. There are distractions in the image. Less noise, more attention. The image is dark, not inviting. Light changes everything. The floors and walls hurt the overall look, and a small change can transform the whole space. The photo looks tilted, unprofessional. Now everything feels straight and polished. The space is cluttered, hard to see its potential. Now it's clean and clear. The listing doesn't stand out. This is a complete upgrade. Now, here's how you do it. You just need to go to Pedra, you create a project, and then you upload your images. You select them all, or you select the ones that you want to edit, and you click on Edit with AI, and you pick the option you want. Renovate, empty, remove objects, edit via prompt, enhance, whatever you need to improve the presentation of your property, we have it. Because you're not editing photos, you're improving the perceived value of your property. Try with your own listings. You can find the link below to Pedra, or you can just go to pedra.ai and tell me in comments which transformation would you use first.